Today I'm going to show you how to change a non-threaded barrel on a Ruger SR22 to a threaded barrel using the Ruger SR22 threaded barrel kit. So I've had this SR22 for about 4 years now. I bought it without a threaded barrel on it, and I want to start shooting it suppressed. So I went ahead and bought the SR22 threaded barrel kit. This is a factory manufactured barrel. The kit comes directly from Ruger. This was about $100 shipped. I bought it from Locked and Loaded. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to take the non-threaded barrel off and put this new barrel with the thread attachment on it. Now inside the kit you get a new barrel with the threaded attachment already on. You get a thread protector, a new screw and washer, and then a couple of wrenches to help you putting the new barrel on. You also get a 6-page instruction manual which shows you how to do this, but we're men. We don't need that. Now the first thing you want to do is take the new barrel that has the thread attachment on it and take that attachment off. You don't need it on for this part, and it has a thread protector, so you can put that on and just hand tighten it. You don't need to tighten it with the wrench or anything. As always, make sure your firearm is unloaded and safe before you start. There's nothing in there, nothing in the chamber. If you can see, yep. So it is a safe gun to start with. I'm going to go ahead and drop the slide. The SR22, the way you take the slide off is it has a little tab, little clip right here. You can just use your fingernail to open that up. And then one little tip I find easier is take the gun off safe and then pull the hammer back. That just makes it easier to get the slide off when you do take it off. You just pull it all the way back, up a little bit, and then pull it forward and take it out with the guide rod and guide spring. You can just set those to the side, and we will focus on the gun itself to continue the process. Now the barrel on the SR22 is actually held in place by a little screw right there. You can see it right in front of the trigger and the trigger guard. So you use the Allen wrench that was supplied to you and go ahead and start taking that off. You want to make sure that you don't really unscrew all the way. Just unscrew enough to where the barrel actually comes off and you can leave the screw in the hole. There's no point in taking the whole screw out. And it should only take about 6 or 7 turns for the barrel to come off. I think I'm on about 6 right now. This may be 7. Let's see if it comes off. Almost. So it depends if you're getting full turns or not when you get that in there. Took me about, what, 9? Okay. So the barrel is off now. And you can take your new barrel and you just kind of line it back up. You can see where it goes. Your barrel lines up right there with that little indent, and then on top of the screw. Hold it in. And then it's just the reverse to get it back in. Don't need to show you how to screw something in, so I'll go ahead and stop the video here. So once you have the new barrel on and it is secure, you can go ahead and stick your guide rod back in. And you can put your barrel, your slide, not your barrel, you can put your slide back on. Once you have the slide on, you can close the clip right there and decock it. And now you have a Ruger SR22 with a threaded barrel on it. At this point, if you don't need the thread protector on, you can leave it on if you want to. If you don't need it, just take it off, put your threaded attachment on. And when you put this on, you do have the little wrench that came with the kit. So you can take that wrench and just give it a tightening. You don't need to tighten it too much, but you can just tighten it so it is on. And that is about it. It's a pretty easy process, but it's self-explanatory. Like I said, we don't really need that rule book. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to answer them if I can. Thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up if you found anything interesting, and consider subscribing. Take care. God bless.